Welcome to Target. We are in Graz, Austria, where the Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Assembly has just taken place. It's the event of the year dedicated to European SMEs, and with 25 million of them, they are more than ever the backbone of our economy. Today in Europe, 99% of companies are SMEs. They provide more than 2 out of 3 jobs and generate more than half of the added value created by all enterprises in the European economy. Major themes in the assembly included international expansion, digitization, and of course, new customers. The event stressed that in order to grow, startups need to finance their innovations.
We have mechanisms that we cover through intermediaries the riskiest part of a guarantee for a bank, which means that the bank actually will give you credit, a loan, which it wouldn't give you otherwise.
A good example is this backpack. It's equipped with solar panel that can charge a smartphone, tablet, or even a laptop. Designed here in Graz, the company was able to finance itself thanks to a helping hand from European funders. From research and development to marketing and intellectual property.
Invention is only the idea, but if it really sells on the market, if it really builds up a value, then you can speak of an innovation.
Since 2012, up to 100,000 Sunny bags have been sold worldwide. This company is #1 in its market in Europe.
We have a lot of very big brands that work together with us right now. And maybe in 2 or 3 years, you see also Sunny bag technology in other big brands.
Innovation is also about finding the right partners, and that's where the Enterprise Europe network comes into play, bringing together more than 4,000 experts from 600 organizations in 50 countries.
They are there for companies, provide help and input, how to innovate, how to find us the right business partners, and all this is totally for free.
It's no coincidence that this event took place in Styria. The region has 5 clusters. These centres that help businesses to grow include SMEs, large companies, but also the education system. The results are tangible.
In Styria, 1 out of every 2 euros is generated by our companies. Coming from exports, it shows us that our enterprises can gain a foothold in the global market thanks to these innovations.
The European Enterprise Promotion Awards were awarded in Graz. This is a Danish project that received the Grand Jury Prize. The project innovates by helping startups to conquer new markets internationally.
We have more than 100 companies that are coming into the program at the moment.
We will have more on this prize-winning project in an upcoming episode of Business Planet on Euronews.